Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Teaching number 3. Resolving past issues.
As we progress through life, we meet many different types of people. Some will become our friends for a time, but fewer will be our friends for life. Personal relationships make up a huge part of our lives as human beings, how we treat our fellow man and how they in turn treat us. Everyone is wired differently, has had different upbringings, and may hold differing views than we do, and it is these differences that often make life interesting. Some of those you meet may think differently than you on subjects like politics, morality, religion, or a myriad of other subjects, and now and then it is these differences that bring us into conflict. Showing respect for every person we meet in life is vital if we are to live in this world peacefully, whether or not we agree with their worldview. On issues that we feel deeply about personally, we often hold very strong views. There is often conflict when two people meet who both hold very strong but differing views on a subject. The unresolved conflict can lead to one or both people having their feelings hurt, which may leave an emotional scar for some. Those among us that are more sensitive emotionally are the most susceptible to being scarred. These are the type of scars that don't show on the outside. They can't be seen but can be powerfully felt within our hearts. People sometimes do things or say things that wound another person emotionally, and these hurts can reside in people's hearts for a lifetime. These emotional injuries may come as we attempt to resolve issues within our marriage and with our spouse or wife. Some people may deny that they have had their feelings hurt, but still feel the pain inside if the other person is seen or mentioned in conversation. If we are the one who has been hurt emotionally, we can either live with it or take steps to become free of the hurt by implementing the process of forgiveness. If we, on the other hand, have done or said something that has hurt another person, we have the responsibility to resolve the issue with them by asking for their forgiveness. This can sometimes happen many years after the initial event, but is no less powerful or useful. Forgiveness, either given to another or received from another person, is the pathway to internal and external peace. Peace on earth and goodwill among all men is proclaimed loudly at a certain time of the year, but it is a value that is best lived daily. When a person is wounded emotionally, they are far more likely to then go on to hurt someone else, for we all live out of who we are on the inside. Every hurt has the potential to form a cycle of people being hurt and therefore hurting others, and this cycle continues to wreak havoc in society unless the sequence is broken. Forgiveness is the most powerful way to break this cycle and bring peace back into our relationships. Unfortunately, conflicts between people are inevitable in our society. However, it's how we deal with these conflicts that can either set us free or leave us bound and scarred emotionally. For those who feel the need to be freed from the scars of the heart, I would encourage you to search on the Dad's Uni blog for my full teaching on the process of forgiveness.